Good evening, folks. Thanks so much for checking us out here on MyHighPlains.com. Meteorologist Nick Lilja here, hanging out in the evening here on a Saturday night. Hope you're enjoying your Saturday night, and hey, have fun on Sunday as the change starts in the morning tomorrow, and it'll drag all the way through the evening. So if you do have any plans tomorrow morning, you're looking pretty good. If you've got plans tomorrow evening, grab an umbrella out the door. You may, in fact, need it. The reason being is this area of low pressure well off to our east actually sagging back to the west. It's really kind of an odd pattern. We'll take it. We'll take the rain. I'm not complaining as high pressure slides off to the west and kind of splits. And we've got an area of high pressure here, and actually another guy's going to slide up off to the north, and that's going to allow this area of low pressure to sag back off to the south and west. Now, as it does so, well, we'll be watching it closely because showers and storms will fire up as it continues to slide down off to the south and west. Now, here's the thing. Now, think back, and I know this is going to be tough. Think back to the blizzard, February 25th. Remember when we were watching that area of low pressure and we said, okay, so if it goes north, we end up with less snow. If it goes south, we end up with less snow. But if it takes this one particular track, we will get a lot of snow. And you recall what happened? It took that particular track. We got a ton of snow. Okay. Fast forward about, about 5 months later. As we watch this guy, if it goes further south, we get less rain. If it goes further off to the north, I think we'll end up with a little bit more rain. If it kind of slides right through the middle, what we're thinking right now, we'll end up with just regular amounts of rain. So if you're really begging for some rain, really beg this bad boy to slide a little bit further off to the north so we can get a little bit of rain in here. Now, what we're thinking right now, as we zoom on in a little further, by the time this is all said and done on about Thursday morning or so, these are the rain totals that we're looking at across the high plains. Probably more than 2 inches for you folks down off to the south and west of Childress. Also down off to the southeast, about 1 inch to 2 inches or so from about Clarendon down to about Childress. About 3/4 of an inch to about 1 inch or so here in town, back off to the north and east. You folks in Wheeler, back toward Canadian, down off to the southwest, Hereford, Freona, Dimmitt, as you make your way down toward Clovis. About 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch or so in places like Dumas, Dalhart, as you make your way back off to the north and east, Guyman, Beaver, and then back off to the south and west. You folks in Boys Ranch, and as you make your way toward Tucumcari, and then back off to the northwest of that, Text Line, Dalhart, Boise City, Kenton, places that have gotten actually a fair amount of rain the last week or so, in fact, almost the last 2 weeks now, are probably going to miss out on all the fun, especially as you move back off to the northwest even further. Now, that's if it takes the current track that we really think it's going to take, but you know how much fun the weather is around here and how much Mother Nature loves to listen to us weather guys. It really doesn't. But as we take a look at what we're looking at tomorrow morning, again, if you've got morning plans, you're probably going to be okay. 72 here in town, 72 in Borger, 71 in Canadian, 74 in Childress. If the kids have any games to get to tomorrow morning or just want to get out and about, here we are. Now, this is as of 5 o'clock at night. I think we reach our daytime high right about lunchtime or so. We'll be back down around 80 degrees come in later in the afternoon, 77 in Pampa, 74 in Clarendon, and 73 rain-cooled degrees for you folks in Childress. And take a look at all the green on here. Now, Future Sky Forecast, I think, is having a tough time with this system, given the kind of odd scenario that we're in, painting exactly where we're going to see showers. But I think almost everyone across the high plains is fair game as we head into the evening on Sunday to see some rain. I know it says we clear things out as we move through the morning into Monday, but into the afternoon, another round of rain. And look at these afternoon high temperatures. 79 here in town, 77 in Pampa. Same goes in Canadian, 78 for you folks in Childress. When was the last time in the middle of July that we were able to say, hey, Childress, you folks topping things out. End of the day, high temperature, 78 degrees. It's been quite some time. So taking a look at the week ahead, here we go. So again, 87 for tomorrow. We hit that at lunch. 79 on Monday, 76 on Tuesday. Before we start to kind of break out of this pattern, that area of low pressure will continue to slide off to the southwest. And in fact, as we look at it right now on Wednesday at 85 degrees, I don't think we've got to worry about any severe weather. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it's just rain, some rumbles of thunder, probably some gusty winds, small hail, that's about it. By the time we get to Wednesday, as that area of low pressure continues to sag off to the southwest, we might be able to get a strong to severe storm on Wednesday, and it might linger around into Thursday morning, but by the time we get to Thursday, we should clear all the riffraff out of here. Then it's back to regular old July, summertime weather, summertime heat temps, right around 90 degrees. Again, thanks so much for checking us out right here on MyHighPlains.com.